MC and welcome to Modified Live at Snetterton. We're here capturing cars leaving and it's a little bit cold. I forgot my jacket today. All I had in the car was a Gorilla onesie. So to keep my warmth, I'm wearing a Gorilla onesie. I do have a high-vis hoodie to put over the top, but this is my Gorilla onesie. Hello. So enjoy the video. So the Vauxhalls are doing some launches upon their departures and we're going to catch more of that. What's it say? Subscribe to lockdown? Okay. He even brought a whiteboard. The ST was on it. YOLO, you only left one. The V12 Toyota Century. He was playing some JDM stuff. R32. And this is today's Lord Timepiece, who have sponsored this video, giving you the chance to get 10% off using add-on 10, following the link in the description below. And now we have a loud C43. We have a 300ZX next up, and a Prelude, and now a Hamann BMW M5 F10. Toyota Crown Estate doing a little squeal, and a white Toyota Supra. Oh look, it's literally my wet dream. We've got a blue and white Cobra and a white Chaser behind it. Check it out. That's the combo I like. Nice. That would have been turboed. We have a caged Nissan Juke. And you'll notice this minty green Golf is actually a white Golf, half and half. We now have a very noisy E36 making its departure. Very noisy. Surprised it still had an exhaust on it. That was crazy loud. Hello. We have some late arrivals. RX-7 and a Nova. All of the revs. pixelated. There goes the Fiesta. We've got the Civic Type R and a Horn supercharged Mini as well. Nice. Because everyone loves a white Chaser. Go on, Volvo. We have a waving hand in the Subaru. Nice noises. $599 coming this way, and a few supercars. Beautiful. E36 Compact, what are we thinking, guys? Yep. Quite a bit of angle there. Well, he scared himself. We have the Corolla and the S15. Naturally aspirated. The Civic has many asymmetrical shapes. In fact, they're all triangles. Oh, and an octopus out the rear window. They're rushing home to fetch it some water. Done, sir. Oh, the Golf is doing squeaks as well. So we've got a Jaguar F-Type Coupe. We've got the Golf R as well, both in red. Who will leave first? There's the Golf. Very cool Metro coming now. Look at that little round on the side. Oh. E36 is back. I definitely heard this one coming. Here we go. Well, I'm still raising my voice even though it's all the way over there. We've got an R32 coming instead. Another F-Type, another V6, another Coupe. Another one in red as well. More V6 noises. And a supercharged 350Z next up. Oh yes. R32 for the flyby. There's now a selection of Golfs. What happened? Oh, BMW got sideways behind. I didn't see it, but I must have caught it in the background. Wow. There's some smoke there that's just happened. Don't know why or how. the smoke. Diesel dust is what it was. Oh look, good job your car's already black because it's going to get blacker now. It's giving him a respray. Oh. The lorry is parking there? That is what's happening. He's just waiting for a mate. Come on, mate. Here he comes. Oh, look. He's showing his displeasure with more diesel dust. Oh, there you go. He was literally waiting for a mate, maybe. He's causing a nuisance. Anyway, we've got the 300ZX and a white Evo. Luckily, the Evo is going the other way. Yeah, the lorry's just causing havoc. Someone needs to beat the hell out of him. The Corvette is just confused. Oh, good, the lorry is moving on, so we can get less of a distraction. Oh, look, it's got a sidecar on it. All right. Sweet. Wicked. The Vectras are providing the teams. RX-8 is in a rush, using all of its LSD. A lot of diesel cars. And now we have a great sounding JZX90 Toyota Chaser. The Golf was saying some words, I couldn't hear him. We can only presume he was exclaiming his love for me. This next R32, I voted for the best car on my stand with Flash Cars UK, and hopefully this upcoming sound will tell you why. Filmed from inside the Peugeot and waved at too. It's upside down. Oh look, there's a Daytona Blue 350Z passing in front of another Daytona Blue 350Z. Oh, I should probably film it. Oh, and a green Mustang with exhausts underneath. E39 5 Series just went the other way and did a smoky burnout with no one watching other than maybe that motorcyclist. And now we have a Nissan S14 leaving the show. They are loving life in their Mini. We have behind the lorry an Astra VXR next up to leave. But don't forget, ladies and gents, everyone loves a wide chaser. He did a horn, and now a duo, an S14 with an S13 behind it as well, leaving together. that. Diesel revolution seems to be the theme. We've got a VXR8 making some V8 noises. It is. Hello. He did some blips. He did a spin of one wheel. But that was pretty much that for part 1 of the cars leaving, so look out for part 2, it will be coming up soon, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights about these meets I go to, but for now, thanks for watching. Spat a little bit.